Hi, I'm Life Coach Larry.
And I'm Exactly Edith.
And today we're going to DIY try to fix our Cuisinart Coffee Maker.
If you like this video and want to see more like it, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We're looking forward to spending time with you.
So come join us. So here's our Cuisinart Coffee Maker. It started to overflow and we think it's plugged up. We checked out another YouTube video on the internet and he seemed to have the right idea. So we're going to give it a try.
Here's the inside. As you can see, there's a bit of coffee grounds all over the place. We think that's the problem, so we're going to take it apart. This is the piece that really is in question. Do you want me to try or do anything? Am I trying to get that whole piece off or just the outer part?
Well, it's this
whole that piece goes with it, right?
Yeah, it's the whole thing.
This piece right here broke off inside of here. So now we got to get that extra plastic out of the hole.
So we killed it. It's dead. Twice now. Well, we're gonna see if there's actually stuff in there.
Now we can just rip it apart. That's the fun part.
Yeah, we needed a new one of these anyway. Okay, so in conclusion, this was not the problem. We ended up breaking this to get it apart. A comment on his video said that some of these are glued, and well, they are. And of course, we broke it there too. And so this turns out not to be the problem, that this was clogged, and we've destroyed the coffee maker. So,
but we learned a lot in the process, and now we're going to buy a new coffee maker. I'm so excited because I'm going to get a new programmable Keurig, just like our old one. No, it's not a Keurig. I'm going to get a new programmable Cuisinart, just like our old one. Yay!